All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about a brand new performance sedan from Hyundai. Let's talk about that right now. So the Elantra, well, you get a regular Elantra, it's a boring grocery getter. It's a relatively reliable form of transportation. Reliability's been getting better and better with Hyundai, Kia, Genesis, all those types of things. So plus you get a 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So if there is any reliability issues, they'll take care of it for you. Looks are subjective. I'm not a big fan of the looks. I think it's overstyled. There's a lot of angles to it. At least it's not boring looking, but I can't say they made it that interesting either. It's just a bunch of geometric shapes that I see in this thing. So not a big fan of the styling. I am a big fan of the performance numbers. Let's get to that. So this thing makes 276 horsepower before overboost. With overboost, that lasts for about 20 seconds. Then you're up to 286 horsepower and a whopping 289 foot-pounds of torque regardless. So this thing is going to be able to boogie. Caranddriver quotes the 0 to 60 time with the DCT of probably being 4.8 seconds. That's faster than a Civic Type R. It's also going to be cheaper than a Civic Type R. With the manual, it's going to be about 5.3 seconds. Slower than the Civic Type R, still cheaper than a Civic Type R. We don't have exact pricing right now, but if we have the Veloster N to go by, so it's probably going to start about 32,000, maybe 33. So a real bargain with these performance numbers. And honestly, since it's a grocery getter, disguised, in disguise, it's just kind of like a sleeper. So I would probably get the DCT in this. I'm probably not going to get the manual just because, hey, easy mode of transportation, but fast when I want it to be. So there you go. Not bad. For the price, I mean, assuming I'm right on the 32, 33, with all that kind of power, not bad. Oh, and by the way, fuel economy on the highway, still 30 to 31, depending if you're getting the manual or the DCT automatic. So decent fuel economy, relatively low price, really fast. You can get over the styling elements. Hey man, this is a bargain. Are you guys gonna get one? Leave your comments down below. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.